See, there we go. Power's flashing there. Power's flashing there. And then, nice little hop right there. All right, let's take this outside and see how it does. How's it going, guys? Mario here with your outdoor adventures. This video is in regards to the Racing Crawler gear wheel high-speed drifting vehicle. This is supposed to be an RTR ready to run right out of the box. We have not unboxed it yet. But show this to you guys. Now, this is also supposed to work well for the 1/12 ratio action figures. If you collect any of those, I will actually be filming this with the 112s. That is for the smoke mechanism. This actually has a vapor smoke mechanism that shoots out the back. And we've got the 7.4 volt large capacity battery. Nope, never mind. Not sure what this is, what size battery this is yet. Yeah, 7.4 volt. That's going to be to power the LEDs on. Man, this thing's got some girth, guys. It is not light. I like that. It's built well. I'm actually going to be customizing this myself. Rubber treads on here. Very good. Very happy with this. I like the design. It's going to do exactly what I need to do. You got your red LEDs in the back. Your vapor, I'm not sure where that blows out of yet. We'll check that here momentarily. And then you've got your LEDs on the front. I'm a huge fan. This is where the 1/12 ratio characters come in. The gull wings on this to open up. I will have to modify the inside of this myself. Bottom out with a Dremel. It does not affect the bottom of this at all. I'll open this up here momentarily and show you the battery compartment. But what it does is it allows leg room inside, so you can put your characters inside, your figures inside. So yeah, we'll definitely be doing some customization on there. Let's see what else we have in here. I'd be really upset if the controller wasn't. And just a simple controller for your steering, power. There's your smoking button and your LED, 2.4 gigahertz. You can run multiple of these at one time. They also do have a different variation of this one. I got the solid black. They also have the tan and brown desert colors. I went with this one because I'm going to be using it for the Cobra. I think I'm going to be using it for the Cobra action figures. I haven't quite decided yet. But we're going to go ahead. I'm going to open this up real quick. Get a screwdriver, which was not included. Sometimes they include them, sometimes they don't. This time they did not. To the crawler. You see, it does come with 2 batteries. More playtime. Yay! Comes with your charger. When I do the customization, all I'm going to be doing is cutting this panel inside out. That's where their feet sit. So I'm going to be removing this so the feet can drop in, and that won't affect this closing whatsoever. We'll have to check on the waterproofness of it. Don't know how waterproof it is. I don't expect it to be very waterproof. Some puddle jumping. I'm going to get some video in the snow, so definitely look for that video as well. But this is set with shock absorbers, planet gear wheel, high-speed motor, wave box, double current. It is a brushed motor. This was not brushless. Good for indoor and outdoor, and requires 3 AA batteries for the controller.